practice tests are up. Mar, do you need another copy, or can I just do 50 for some more chances? What's your plan?
I think more chances is fine. That'd be awesome.
Okay. Any other questions? The test will be on Webassign. It will be given over a couple of days. It will be the practice test, but your job is to do the practice test so you feel comfortable knowing all the information. So remember, if you have questions, go to Ask the Teacher in Webassign, because it'll send a picture of the question that you have concerns about, or you need some more information. So
I
Webassign
do
is the
actually have another
central.
question.
Okay, Mars, you got a question?
Yeah, is there going to be a separate lab test, or is that going to be part of
It's a
the test that
separate lab
starts on the
test.
11th?
The practice test is up. That's why I talked
Okay,
about
so there's
passive diffusion or passive transport, and let's look at that. Okay,
so
so
there's
let's
two
go ahead.
separate tests. Are they both
Yep.
opening on the 11th?
Mm-hmm. Let me get to Webassign. Okay, this is my view, but the critical thing about this is here are the dates. Here's the lab 1 practice. Here's the test. So these are two separate tests. They'll be available from like the 11th to the 13th. And I will be readjusting these assignments. So you notice the tissues that we just talked about we'll take care of here. And then we'll get into the skin, joints and bones, and so on. So you have this week, and I will go right now. Let's go right now into both the edit. Let's go ahead and give you guys more chances. Okay, edit settings. Okay, we'll go to 50 and save. Okay, then go back to class view and go to lab 1 practice, edit settings, and we'll put, I already did 50 on that one. Okay, so save that just for the heck of it. So that was saved. So let's go to student view. So here's the student view. Here's the lab 1 practice and the lecture 1 practice. These dates will be modified. So the next lecture will be on integument, but those topics, tissue or integument, will only be covered after the test. The test is, if we click on that test right there, the practice test, okay, we'll get there in a minute, hopefully. Okay, so here's the practice test. 57 points, and your job is to practice all the questions and do them multiple times. Okay. Let's go back to, I got messages. I'll check those when, well, let's see what they are. Okay, well, okay. I'll look at those for more after we get off, okay? So the tissues, we're done there. We're back. Any other questions?
I have question.
Sure.
Is it? I'm sorry. The test has a. Sorry, my case is actually disturbing. The test has a writing part, or is only the true and false and the choice.
The test is exactly like the practice questions. You just have one try for one snapshot from the randomized database. The practice test is the test. So when you take the test, it will have one try for one set of randomized test information.
Okay. Thank you, then.
Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Any other questions?
I have a question.
Sure.
You said we have from the 11th to the 13th to take both
Yes.
those tests? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions? Okay. Stop recording. We'll stop recording.